Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating topic of attraction and relationships. Specifically, we'll be exploring 10 ethical psychological tricks to make someone like you. It's essential to approach these techniques with integrity and respect for others. So, let's delve into these tricks and see how they can enhance your interactions and relationships. Having your own life and passion. It is important to have your own life and to be passionate about something. This makes you more attractive as it shows that you have depth and interests beyond just seeking approval. Whether it's a hobby, career, or cause you're passionate about, investing time and energy into something meaningful can make you more appealing to others. Good hygiene and personal presentation. Next up is good hygiene and personal presentation. Research stresses the importance of smelling decent and avoiding excessive use of cologne or perfume. It's about presenting yourself in a clean and presentable manner, which can leave a positive impression and make you more attractive to others. Genuine interest and active listening. Showing genuine interest and practicing active listening are essential elements. When you genuinely care about what someone has to say and actively engage in the conversation, it creates a deeper connection and makes you more appealing. So remember to listen attentively and show genuine curiosity about the other person. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence is another key factor in attraction. Research highlights the importance of exuding self-assurance in your interactions. Confidence is attractive because it reflects self-assurance and security within oneself. So, work on cultivating confidence through positive self-talk, body language, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Humor and wit. Humor can be a powerful tool in building attraction. Research emphasizes the role of humor and wit in creating a connection with others. A good sense of humor can lighten the mood, spark laughter, and create memorable moments in your interactions. Just remember to keep it authentic and respectful. Kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy go a long way in making you more attractive. Acts of kindness, empathy, and understanding can leave a lasting impression and foster deeper connections with those around you. Body language and nonverbal cues. Body language plays a significant role in attraction. Research discusses the power of positive body language and nonverbal cues in making you more appealing. Maintaining eye contact, smiling, and using open gestures can convey confidence and warmth, making you more attractive to others. Establishing common ground. Finding common ground is crucial in building connections. Research suggests seeking shared interests or experiences as a way to bond with others. By identifying commonalities, you can create a sense of familiarity and rapport, which can enhance attraction and strengthen relationships. Respect and boundaries. Respecting boundaries is essential in any interaction. Research highlights the importance of honoring the boundaries of others and communicating your own boundaries clearly. Respecting boundaries shows that you value the other person's comfort and autonomy, which can increase their attraction towards you. As we wrap up, remember that building attraction is about more than just surface-level techniques. It's about cultivating genuine connections based on respect, kindness, and understanding. By incorporating these ethical psychological tricks into your interactions, you can enhance your relationships and create meaningful connections with those around you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content and let us know in the comments what else you want to see from our channel. Your feedback is invaluable to us. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.